Eighth sum, if triangle, okay, the triangle ABC and DEF is similar. Such area is ABC is a 9 centimeter square and area of a triangle DEF is a 16 centimeter square. So BC is a 2.1 centimeter. Find the length of EF. They are asking, okay. So in this place we are using the one important rule. Okay, this is your note. Area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of any two corresponding side. So if you're taking, so what they given? The given is in triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, right? So this triangle is similar means, so if you are having A means where it is you have mentioned A. So the same similar place you mentioned D. Where it is you put B. The similar place you put E. So where it is you mention C. The similar place you put F. Same. So A, B, C, D, E, F. The same order should be right. That's the similar triangle. We already know about this. So what they mentioned, BC is a 2.1 centimeter. You are going to find out EF. Okay. So what they mentioned, so area of the two triangles. So area of the, what are the triangle I'm having? ABC and DEF. So area of this triangle. So division of, okay. So this triangle, those ratio means ratio. So M is to N means how can we write? M by N, right? So whose ratio is what? Area of triangle ABC, division of area of triangle, this triangle, okay. DEF equal to, so I am taking corresponding side, square of corresponding side. What are the corresponding side? So if it is a similar means, how can we write? AB by DE. These are the corresponding side. BC by EF and AC by DF. Okay, these are the corresponding sides. But what they mention? So square of any two corresponding sides. Okay, any two. So these only, these two sides, one and two sides, right? So because they are asking a EF, that's why I am taking, this is my corresponding side. Okay, are you clear? So I am taking, this is my corresponding side. So then I am using, then you can write this. Okay, this is corresponding. This is a corresponding side. These are the corresponding sides. Okay, then I can write this because they are asking area of the two similar triangle is equal to ratio of the that's corresponding side. So I am taking this. So area of a triangle ABC by area of a triangle. This is one of the formula. You should remember this. Okay. So for my convenience, I am taking BC by EF because I need a EF. Because in question they are asking find out EF. BC by EF. They mention square of that roots. Okay. So area of the ABC they already given. Okay. Say they already given area of triangle ABC is equal to 9 centimeter square. Same, the area of triangle DEF is equal to 16 centimeter square. Okay, substitute in this place. So this is a 9 and this is a 16 equal to what is a BC? BC is a 2.1 by EF. So we already know the square is moving in this place. Okay, otherwise you will write taking a root on both sides. Taking root on both sides. So 9 by 16, the square will be cancelled, right? So in this place, what is a square? So 9, so 3 into 3. So 1 3 is come. 16, 4 into 4. So I can write 3 by 4. So 2.1 by EF. So cross multiplication. So what we get? EF equal to 2.1. So denominator moving to the numerator. Numerator move to the denominator. Okay. Then EF equal to, you can cancel. In 3 table, 21 for 7 times, but point. So 0.7. So 0.7 into 4. So what's the EF? 4 sevens are how much? 28. How many point? 1. After one number. So 2.8. So centimeter. But what they asking? What's the EF? Therefore, the length of the EF. Yeah. The length of the EF equal to 2.8 centimeter. Okay. Because why we are using this property? We having, this is one of the note. So that's nothing but area of the any two triangle is similar means you can write. So dividing that means write it in ratio and squaring that corresponding sides. Okay. So that's only they mention. I write it in the ratio order and squaring my corresponding sides. So for my convenient, I am taking this is my corresponding because I need EF. So I am writing. Okay. In this place I am writing. So no need to write in this place. In this place is enough. Okay. So I can write. I am substituting. My area of the triangle, this is a 9 and this is a 16. So I am taking a root on both sides. So you can directly move to also for your convenient I am writing. So in 9 you are taking a root means 3, 16 for 4. So 2.1 by EF. So EF means, so cross multiplication. Denominator move to the numerator, numerator move to the denominator. So cancelling this, in 3 table this is for 7 times. But it's mentioned a point, so 0.7. So 0.7 into 4, so that's bring a 2.8. So length of the EF is a 2.8 centimeter.